Hello, is this thing on? Alright, we live. Get rid of this thing now. I don't need that. But I do need to start commenting some stuff because I am getting quite a bit of code here. I'll keep that commented because I might still use that, and I do use the tick thing still. Okay. Position updating. And let's see, textures. Hello there, second person. We already have 2 beers, holy crap. Alright, so this is effectively what we're making. Hey, data deleters, what up? Oh my gosh, you are still a member. Holy cow, thank you. G-Wit, hello, how you doing? Welcome to the stream, hope you enjoy your stay. Welcome back to PooTube. Indeed. YouTube ain't that bad though. I mean, it's almost that bad. But yeah, we're gonna be coding a little bit today. Apparently, data. I don't even remember who was mod and who wasn't at this point on YouTube. Okay, so the shadow seems to kind of pecker off a little bit. That's a word I'm never using again. No, I guess it's good. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. It still latches on properly. Only be for the characters, or will the tiles also have them? That's the hard part. So for the tiles to have them as well, we would need to intercept the way that RPG Maker, I can do it, and we will. I'll try. I'll try. What do mods even do on YouTube? They mod stuff. I just need to finish commenting because anchoring. Masking. Get rid of those, don't need those. There's some blend mode stuff. There we go. The rest is already kind of commented. Alright, so, wait a minute. Neat. Yami no Sakai! How you doing? Been a while, and thank you for remaining a sponsor. I think they call them sponsors, right? On YouTube? Yeah, sponsor. Or channel member. Yeah, channel member. They got rid of the sponsor thing. Back. This game is looking good. So, Yami no Sakai. I will show you what we're doing. Yami Isekai turn. Yeah, we're working on shading and shadows and stuff. We already got like realistic reflections in water. Like if you take a look right here, you can see how the water is like refracting and everything. In like this beautiful water looking way. And you can see we got reflections. Right now the sun is spinning at unearthly speeds. We got some map lighting, but it's more like an HDR kind of map lighting thing. You can see where the contrast over here kind of stays the same, whatnot. Okay. As much as I love XP, and XP is still my favorite. Thank you, Sekai. I would say MZ is on an entirely different level, because Skeletal Centipede, Phantom Life Force, and a Wolf, a Name, Hydra, Blackborn, Ailcorn? What's Ailcorn? All stronger than before, and they're getting crazy. Anyway, side of my RPG. I'm pretty good, man. And it's really good to see that your RPG is coming together. I'm glad that you are able to stay motivated to work on it. I know sometimes by now you've had to have gotten burned out at least twice, probably, right? If not more. Hey, Dreamer, no, dagnabbit. See, you know what? I hate you, Dreamer. Everyone canceled Dreamer on Twitter. I didn't even intend that, but you know what? That's glorious. Alright. Ailcorn is a Pegasus that has a horn like a unicorn. Gotcha. Yeah, I know what you meant. I remember I had a Naga back in, like, what was it, number 2, I think? Monster Rancher 2. And he was a beast. Actually, Naga and I want to say, what was it? It was a type of Suezo. You my Naga. I love you, Dreamer. But yeah, it was a type of Suezo, and I can't remember. I think it was an ice Suezo. There was that thing, and it was like I don't know, like I always wanted to try and get Mo somehow, but like Mo was like never obtainable. I mean, I know you can get him some way, but I never ended up doing it. Anyways, map lighting. So this is where things get interesting. We can create a sort of layer 2. Matter of fact, I can show you. Turns out I can stop by for a bit. Yay! Hi, Nat. How you doing? Okay. We could try this real quick. Hold up. Yeah, let's try this. Instead of add, we're gonna go multiply. And we'll do like 8, right? And y, like we'll do like -8. Just for the memers and lollers and XDers. Hey. So how do the shadows work for characters? Okay, so. Oh my gosh, that is way darker than I thought it would. Okay, so I'll explain a little bit about that real quick. Okay, so basically, GWit, as you can see, like with the reflection here, it's the same with the shadows, but you can see the reflection how it's showing the character's face, although that's not actually, that shouldn't be possible. And like he's showing the back of the character's head and all that. So, and this is showing his opposite side. So basically what we do is if you were to take the camera like over to the right a lot, you would see these actors here like floating off into empty space. So what we're doing is rendering them off screen as a separate actor entirely, including the shadows. And we will take and grab them using, what command was it? generate texture. And the shadow map just grabs from the tile map. We do the nearest scaling and all that. So yeah, that basically we just draw them from off screen. Yeah, I'm more motivated than ever. My mind is always racing. I'm thinking of a broken golem boss, which transforms by. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's dope. That's a cool idea, dude. You're very welcome, G-Wit. Okay, now I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, and you want to make sure that you remove the texture from cache as well. It won't by default, and if you don't, then you're gonna be like, well, within about 5 minutes in, you're gonna be like super lag because you have a crap ton of like textures being stored and not deleted. Got that gangsta street smart, you know it. I'm anime smart. I know all about them anime dick. Stop. No. Alright. This should be not the about it too. Alright, so let's try with the tiles. I do not know how this is gonna work out. I'm not gonna lie. This probably ain't gonna turn out too well. This is not the story of a girl who cried a river and drowned the whole world. It should be paint, right? Tilemap, update transform needs repaint. Update bitmaps, paint opacity, define. There has to be a better way to do this, right? Like I could make a shader that casts a shadow based on contrast, but then it wouldn't be right. All right, create layers. We got the lower layer, upper layer. Needs repaint is true. Update bitmaps. Okay, yes. Need repaint, but what does this do? Where is this in use? This is at all spots. What the hooker, dude? So all this does is update the transform. It has nothing to do with repainting. Like, where does it actually paint the dang tiles at? Let's see. Update bitmaps. Set bitmaps. Bitmaps.map, blah blah blah. Render, tilemap renderer, new tilemap. Tilemap renderer, get shader, matrix, set object renderer, matrix that append, update index buffer, that's not it. Tilemap renderer, update textures. See, the problem is, if I were to just read the upper layer, a Naga word back. Dreamer, why? Combine and fight with 3 different abilities and fightings. Now they're all combined but broken, and this controls its entire body. Oh, super cool. It's all still in concept for the most of it, but the reason buttons are coming back is because they had things in the original fights that weren't explored more. Is that it? Do just that. That's really cool, dude. That's awesome. So yeah, let me know, you know, every time I'm live, let me know, like how it goes and stuff, because I know that's probably going to be really hard to, set up. Well, maybe not. No, because you can use the battle events, and you can use like reveal enemies maybe to, and like hide and stuff like that. Pixie texture map is interesting. See, this is the pain in the nipple. Great shader. Okay, so quesadilla. Well, that's not correct. Yeah, I don't know if we can do the tile thing. Coming out Unity? I know, right? I feel you on that. The tile thing is going to be the hardest thing I've ever done because I have no earthly idea how it works. Like, I don't know. This is a layer thing. It's a tile ID. Update tile map, which does nothing. Okay, this is set data. This is load tile set. Update tile map. That just sets the X and Y scroll. This is the little sprite when you click, by the way. I want to implement energy for the MMORPG like DBZ things, so the adrenaline base power instead of key. I don't want to have charging. But Mega Man charges his laser gun before he shoots out Mother Brain, the cigarette smoker. I don't know. What? Okay. It's a shadow sprite. Create characters. No. What tile set? Bitmaps. Okay, so it's loading the bitmaps here, blah, 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 but we still can't, like, just grab an individual tile because it's all painted onto a canvas. DBZ requires you to stand still. So, yeah, there are ways to make it happen, but I don't know how. But that's not gonna stop me. I'm not, no. Amen. I think we got this. I just got an idea. That's not it. This is game character base. What am I doing here? Alright, tile map, not layer. Has to be here somewhere, right? This is update textures, renderer, this dot images. But then there's bind textures too. Ah, wait a minute. Geometry.draw. GL triangles. See, it's using like a 2D plane in GL and then drawing to it. which is really good, by the way. It's extremely optimized compared to, you know, using actual tiles. Like, it's can turn into, you know. Wait, what? Oh, requires you to stand still. Oh, I got you. I see what you're saying. And I have no idea if anything is gonna attacks of the one. I must. I don't know. Broken golem. 47. Whew. More than 47. That's insane. Dude, that's gonna be an extremely long event if you do that. What is... Okay. Buffers. I mean, like, we could steal the buffer directly, but by then you can just grab the dang bottom layer entirely and the top layer entirely. The reason I wanted to grab the tiles that are painted instead of just drawing the entire thing is because I wanted to be able to set artificial height to certain things. Like, if we just use the top layer, then only the top half of this thing will have a shadow, and like its bottom half won't. I can't make this individual statue, for example, have a shadow. This would be an entire square, and then the top. Like, for example, the tree would not have a shadow, so the bottom layer would cast like a gigantic block. And the, actually it wouldn't even cast anything, only the top would, because this is all part of the same canvas. There's only 2 actual layers once it all gets rendered. So it's really, really hard to be able to do any kind of, like, tile stuff. Yeah, I don't know how to... I told you these bosses are getting extremely hard. So, in fact, that but I was done with the enemies after the interactions thing. You thought you were done. You couldn't have been more wrong. Ow. Okay. I don't know why I said ow. It didn't hurt. Let's see. Let's see. No, I'm not gonna do that. So, yeah, I'm not doing tile shadows. Well, yeah, no, we're not doing that. F that. Nope. Not today. If you want something to have a shadow, it's gonna have to be an event. So, for example, but yeah, I want the gauges. Wait, the gauges to fill up based on the type of melee and base classes. Like taking damage. Dodging successfully, deflecting and parrying all of the badankadanks. I guess we'll use actor 1. No, we won't. Get out of here. What I'm gonna do is something entirely custom. A hook. Alright. Come on. DJ Hooker. What am I doing? Brain. Alright. We're gonna go to tile sets. It's up outside B. Maybe a little bit of C. The vampire goes blee. I don't know. Alright, so this is going to be a 48 by 48 thingy. We're going to math it up. Wait, we don't need to. So 48 times 3 would be 144 by 192. Okay, 144 by 192. 144 by 192. Sometimes I act like a crackhead. Alright, let's why? Oh no. I'm quite stupid because this is needing to be, you know, flowing water, crushing rock from One Punch Man. I don't know. We just need to double the height because I can math good. 3 Man. Right. One day we will get this correct. This needs to not be linked. This needs to be 96. Could just make our own little tree system. Okay, see you, Nat. Thank you for joining. Where's that statue thing? I didn't see. Yeah. Which statue was it? It was a knight dude. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Gonna yeet you straight up in the jadonkeys. What? That's not a question, that. Bruh, it literally went down by a pixel. Supposed to snap to grade, dude. Fucking DJ Hooker. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna save this as things.png. Not there. So characters, things.png. I also want to bring up the story. There's a plot twist. The bosses are coming back. This is the first. Dope. Good luck with that. Because when you already have a lot written, well, I guess it wouldn't really be that bad to change because you can just like kind of like instead of the character going here, whatever, you can make him go somewhere else and learn a little bit of lore, and then have that tie back into wherever the heck you wanted to modify the story at. That made no sense, probably. Think of it, think of it that fighting style increased the gauge from parrying and dodging and giving damage. I would, but the way my brain's set up. Alright, so I might have to redo the mapping as well. No, I don't. No, we can just stamp it over it. Who cares? Okay. So that's gonna have things, and the trees are gonna have other things. So let's see how it does with a lot of shadows. It shouldn't matter the shadow count, because the shadow count is actually done on CPU. Wait, what? Why is it not? Okay, That's probably because I have a thing. Hold on. No, this is based on sprite character. Wait, what? Why does it not work on... Why does that not work? That don't make sense. Hold up. Wait. Nani? Yeah, he has a shadow. Huh. So why doesn't... Oh yeah, no, and that's also flipped. Then that's incorrect. That's why. Okay. This needs to be like that. This is an example. Wait. Oh, may not make it. Oh, never mind. That's what you're saying. You might not do that. There we go. Now the shadows are all correct. And we got stuff. However, what we cannot do, unfortunately, is control heights. And again, that's because... Well, I mean, it's probably possible through a mask. Oh no, I just thought of something too. So if we... Oh man, I'm gonna have to figure this out too now. Well, no, I won't. Yo, will it work by default because of the way I... Awesome! Oh! I did try to link it like that, and you'll see what I mean in just a second here. I'll just, so switches number 1 is on after 60 frames. And then at 60 frames, or, I mean, when this is on, it's gonna change the graphic to this. And the shadow should change too. I hope. Yes! I don't have to do anything special. Alright, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little bit, probably stupoid. Nah, maybe not. I'm gonna pass the shadow text, or the map texture, like the entire thing, including the people. No, that needs to just be the lower layer. So, what I'll do is grab the texture from this, pass it to the shadow. So, this dot shadow filter dot uniforms dot copy texture equals that, and we should be able to grab info from that. Okay, what was it called? Copy texture. Texture. Wait. Wait a minute. All right. uniform, it would be sampler 2D copy texture. Now let's see if this works, and I need to copy this. We'll just do blank. Wait, empty, I mean. Okay. I can't stop being creative anymore. The RPG, a book, a map on Minecraft, and an app is all I'm making at the same time right now. Dang, dude. Keep that motivation, dude. That's awesome. A strange connection. The app is for them. G in the book. Characters are. Oh, cool. That's kind of cool how you're tying everything together like that. Magic is life force. What if I made the adrenaline from combat needed to cast spells? I'm gonna put a spell on you. Alright, let's never say that again. Kappa. Alright, so let's say vec4 copy is equal to texture 2D copy texture v texture coord and then let's do glfrag color dot a is divided by is subtracted by GL. Wait a minute. We'll do copy dot G. Divided by 3 point. We'll divide by pi. That's pi times 2 right there. Otherwise, whatever. Okay, don't crash, please. Yes. And now the shadow should reduce its colors on brighter stuffs that have a green value, but it's not doing that. See? Yeah, it is. Okay, it's working. Awesome. We just need to up the amp. G plus copy dot R plus copy dot B. So we're gonna do like all 3 of these divided by 3.0. That is dope. What the whole cow? Okay. Oh, right, because we need to do equals mix. glfrag color dot a, all of those. Yeah. And then I'll just keep it like that for now. 0.5. Okay. It's copying and then all right because yeah. Oof. I'm just trying to set the alpha channel. But it's doing more than that. Setting the actual color of the thing. So let's try this. I'll reach out in a second, Dreamer. I'm coding. That's definitely not how to do it. Okay, what do you want me to read? If this is Twitch, I would sound alert you. What am I reading though? Like I know I'm reading what you say about the game. I already read that part. Yeah, what do you want me to read? Alright, so let's just try from the green value again. Is it a good idea? There are flaws in the idea. There are always flaws in an idea, though. What weirdness? It's a really cool idea, though, Dreamer. I think it is a good idea. Okay, what? Hold on. RGBA equals. Let's try this. Mix. Copy.rgba 0.5. That doesn't make sense either, because no, that's just going to copy the whole thing, and it's not even going to work. Huh? Because I made a typo here. Let's mix it with the red value then. That's definitely not. Huh? Hold on. What? Wait a minute. Maybe? I don't know. I think we already did this. Yeah. Let's just leave the alpha alone? I don't freaking know, man. Why is it doing that? Okay, I'm obviously missing something, right? So if we set it equal to the friggin' green value, then it should be a 1 on white. Huh? Why does it do that? What is that? Like, I know it's copying from the buffer, but it's not. It's what? Huh? It's incorrectly drawing the location of it. Oh, you know what? I can do it this way. Also, my dad's here, so I'll be right back. I will go help him with the groceries. BR the B, fellas. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end here, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.